starting the vlog off today. It's a new week. It is the week of the 17th. I have my days mixed up, but I'm just getting off of work. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm about to get in the shower and go to bed. But I'll catch you guys up later because I don't know what I'm doing today, but I'm just about to start this week's vlog off. Y'all, I'm just about to start this week's vlog off, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this vlog. Y'all, just wait till I lose some weight. Just wait till I lose some more weight. I'm gonna really be snatched. Okay, what's up, y'all? So today is Wednesday morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I just had to drop my mama off to work because I needed her car to go to my eye doctor's appointment, and then later we're gonna go pick up my car because it's ready. So yes, I'm excited about that. But the most thing I'm really excited about, y'all, today is the day. Today is the day that I can let these glasses go and get me some contacts. When I tell y'all, this is about to be crazy. Listen, baby, contacts, y'all. I can finally get contacts. I don't think y'all understand how bad I need contacts. Like, I'm so tired of glasses. Like, I'll wear glasses like when I'm not doing nothing or like at home, but I definitely need the contacts when I'm like trying to be cute. The glasses don't match the fit. Like, I can't, no. So yeah. So my mama got me out to bed this morning at 8 o'clock to take her to work, so I can use the car to go do what I have to do. Then I'm gonna go back to her job later and pick her up so we can get in my car. But I will see y'all when I am heading to the eye doctor's appointment, because let's get these contacts. All right, y'all, so I'm on my way to go to my appointment. I kind of just woke up. Because I came back home and took a nap. So I'm kind of tired. I have to work tonight as well. So I've been trying to get all the sleep that I can get.
We're doing negative 3.25 both eyes. So it's nice to have the same.
So when you say monthly, like how often do you?
Getting it?
I'm trying.
Another thing.
Why am I like so?
Another thing I was told sometimes have a glass of wine helps you relax you a little bit. Maybe,
Okay.
maybe 2 or 3.
Hi. Struggling. I am struggling. Y'all, I'm just leaving the freaking eye doctor's appointment. I've been there for an hour trying to put the contacts in my eye. And every time they would do it, y'all, I would like freak out so bad because I didn't want them touching my eyes. How I'm gonna try to get contacts and barely can put them in my eye, y'all? It's been an hour. Like literally, I was there for an hour just trying to put them in. It's 1:34. Do y'all know what time my appointment was? My appointment was at freaking 11. It's 1:34. I was there for like an hour trying to put the freaking contacts in my eye, and I would not let them touch my eye. Like I had to do it myself because I would freak out. Like this is crazy. But y'all, I finally got them in. Taking them out was so much easier than actually putting them in. I think I was just scared to touch my eyeball, but I did it, y'all. I'm at CVS right now. I gotta get my vitamin pills. Gots to get the vitamin pills. So I'll see y'all in a minute because I gotta go to my mama job, pick her up while she on lunch, and go get my car. Hey, bye. Okay. Have fun. But I'm about to go and get me some food. I'm gonna sit down and eat. It just looks so. I've been so used to driving my mama car, like. First of all, let's just say this. I basically just paid $400. Let's just have a moment of silence for that $400. I just paid $400. I'm saying. And my car better not stop on me again. For $400, it better not stop again. Because why is you stopping on me? I'll see y'all when I get to the seafood spot because I'm gonna get me some seafood. Y'all, I come here so much to the point the waitress, she know me. She come up to my table like, hey. Show y'all my little packaging for my glasses. This is my solution. Y'all, I am too excited for these little contacts. Too excited. All right, y'all, I ate so good. Now I'm about to go home and lay down because I gotta work tonight. So yeah, to be honest with y'all, I don't know if I'm going to end the vlog today because today is Wednesday, tomorrow Thursday. I don't know, because I know I said I was doing like the weekly thing. Didn't I miss yesterday or something? I don't know. Yeah, I really don't know. But I'm thinking about ending the vlog today. Maybe tomorrow. I gotta work tonight. I don't know if I probably record at work, but Friday I'm going to the fair with my cousin, so I honestly might make that a whole nother vlog. So I might just like cut the little weekly vlog out short and start a new one for Friday when I go to the fair with my cousin. We'll figure it out. But definitely Friday is going to be a whole nother vlog. So y'all might be getting 2 vlogs sometime next week. So just stay tuned for that. It's going to be this one and then the fair vlog. Look at my solution. Oh, I'm going to need more than this, baby. Y'all, even the lady was like, even the lady that was there, she was like, she was trying to put it in herself. And she was like, oh my gosh, girl. She was like, you are a fighter. She was like, girl, you would definitely win strongest eyelid award. She said, I probably got the strongest eyelid in the world. My glasses do not be matching my outfits, so you gotta keep taking the glasses on and off when we get to the club or something. Like, no, who wants to do that? It can't see. And you know, nowadays you gotta be able to see in them parties and stuff, because, or just anywhere you go and you trying to be cute, you gotta be able to see, because nowadays people crazy. You don't know if somebody's trying to run up on you, or you know, if you gotta run or something, or shoot out something, just anything. Like, you about to get robbed, like, I don't know, something, just anything. You gotta be on the lookout, because these people crazy nowadays. So you gotta be able to see. And my behind will sit there and try to walk around places without my glasses, knowing I can't see, y'all. Knowing I can't see. But I will still do it. If I could say one word, it won't always be like this. The Lord will perfect it concerning me. It's turning around for me. What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog off here. I honestly forgot to record and stuff last night when I went to work, but yeah, I'm about to end this vlog off here. I gotta hurry up. I'm about to go and drop my frames off to my eye doctor. So I'm about to, before I go though, I'm gonna show y'all the frames I got. Of course, I got me some Lorvays, y'all. I got me some Lorvays, Diera. The pack, I would have showed y'all the packaging and stuff, but it's gone still. These are the frames, well, her glasses. These are the frames that I'm going to get my prescription in. So these are so cute, y'all. I'm gonna go get my prescription in these. The Caddy Maze, that's what they call. So cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for the next vlog, and go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.